Bye, Mommy. It's cold in here. It's cold in here. Right. Let's go. Beam, two. Beam. Beam, two. Beam, two. Alexa. Or Alexa.
That was a long and crispy one. Try asking me for a power fart. Or say random.
I'm a dog.
Try asking me for a power fart. Or say random.
Okay, you want to go in first. You punch your back. You punch your back. Punch your back. I love you. Yeah, but never do. Beam two. Beam two. Back to work. Get back to work. Get back. I'm a jelly. I'm a jelly. I'm a jelly. What day is it? A good day. Alright, come here. You want some water? Do you want food? Alright, girlfriend. Beam two. Beam two. Beam two. Alexa, what's a parrot?
A parrot is a bird with a curved beak, an upright stance, and clawed feet. They are found in tropical and subtropical regions and are classified in 4 families, including the Psittaculidae, Psittacidae, Cockatulae, and Strigopidae. These birds are known for their talking ability and are widely kept as pets.
What do you got your project? Okay. You want to punch your back. You punch your back. You punch your back. Do you clean any more, Uncle? Can I have a couple? Can I have a couple, please? Yeah, good girl. Then you can food. Lunchtime. Lunch. Go put the happy right here. Punch your back. You punch your back. Okay. We look good. Yeah, but never do. Beam two. Yeah, but never do. Oh, red butt chicken. Boom, boom. I'm a dog.
You behaving? Oh, behave. Oh, behave. I'll be back. I'll be back.
Back to work. Back to work. You're going to work. Look at that chipmunk. Right. You eating? Yummy. What's the lunch? Apple. Vodka. Raspberries. I love you. Come here. Wink. Like that. Oh boy, go. Look at you, punch your back. You get back to punch your punk. You punk, give me, oh God. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Boink. Hello. I like you, Pete. You punch your back. You punk can eat that. You can't take the punch your back. You punch your back. Hello. Boink. saying you